Hello and welcome to a new video on JS, but this is not a video like the others. This here is a special video, then it's my 100th video on my channel. So I'm really happy that I got at this mark. And when I started this channel, I didn't thought that I will be at the 100 mark so fast. But now, to the set that I have chosen for my 100th video is the newest Weiss Schwarz booster box to the Monogatari series. This here is to the Monogatari second season. When I saw that this come out, I was really happy. Then this anime is so brilliant. I really love it. So I already opened the two other boxes that get a release on Weiss Schwarz. I think I will put down a link in the video description to these two videos. So then this is the front from the box, and on the top we have a sleeping Hachikuchi. So I think we will take a look in the box. So 20 awesome packs. I really hope they have some good cards in it. Oh, there are only 19 packs. Here's the 20th. And okay, here is another extra card. So we have a PR card from Hitagi on the beach. So in this set are available 6 different SP cards, 8 different triple Rs and 13 SR cards. So as usual I will cut off all the packs and then I will be back. Welcome back, and now to the packs. So we're starting off with Kambaru. I really like her hairstyle a lot more in this season, and also this is my favorite season of the Monogatari series so far. This is also a cool arc with the Nadeko. And Hachikuchi is every time funny, in my opinion. So we have a dark honey color. This was also cool. Hitagi. And we directly start with a double rare Hitagi with her weapon. So this was a nice first pack. So in the second we start off with Kaiki. Another Hachikuchi card with her very funny back. Again, Nadeko as the snake goddess. Then I think this should be Gaen. And a rare Kambaru. And then a climax rare card with Aragi and Hitagi. This artwork is really cool. So, the first of the two sisters, Tsukihi. Then we have the first Shinobu card. Very funny. I really like Hachikuchi. And then also a rare Hachikuchi. So I don't will say anything to this scene here. This would be a spoiler. And then here I don't will say my 3 favorite characters, but definitely one of the ones that I like more. Yotsugi, Hachikuchi, and Shinobu. Hanekawa, then Aragi, and here we have the second sister, Karen. And as the next rare, again a snake goddess, Nadeko. And also as the climax card, Black Hanekawa. So this here is double. Then I think this should be Kambaru. I remember this thing here, but I don't know the name of it. And a rare Nadeko again. This is a really nice climax card with Black Hanekawa on it. So it's already some time ago since I watched this anime, so I don't remember all the stuff. So I forgot also how she's called, but she was a friend from Kambaru. Then normal Nadeko without her white hairs. And then a rare. It's hard to tell when they have all short hairs, but I think this should be Hanekawa. I think so. And again, Black Hanekawa. Would be cool to get more Yotsugi card. at the beginning from the anime I was not a big fan of her, but at the end she was grown up to one of my very favorite characters. Oh, and already the SR card, and I have to say it's again Hitagi. I'm not sure if I got in every of my 3 Monogatari openings SR of Hitagi, but definitely in one. So I have now 2 of her, or maybe 3. As I don't mean in the box to the second season, I mean to the older boxes. So not the same card, only the same character. Ah, this is funny. Shinobu holding Yotsugi. Then another Shinobu card in her child version. When she's an adult, she has a very cool name. I think it was Kiss Shot Ace Roller Orion Heart Underblade. Very funny name. Then Nadeko, Hitagi, and a rare of Aragari. And another Nadeko Climax card. This guy, I don't know his name and I also don't like him. A really scary card. Oh, here we have the adult version from Shinobu. Then a rare card of Hitagi. And then Kambaru had here an accident, looks like. His smile here is very funny. And then a rare card of Black Hanekaba. This is also a really scary climax card. You really don't want to meet her in the night. I wonder why we didn't saw a Shinobu with donuts card. Ah, I remember. This was the Hachikuchi from the future. This was a really awesome scene. I really loved it. When they did go to the future and met the old Hachikuchi. And then a rare card of Shinobu. And a climax card from Shinobu. Here we have Kaiki. I hated him at the beginning from the anime, but at the end now I like him. And then we have the snake goddess. Then a new Hachikuchi card. And a rare from Hanekawa. So I don't know, this looks a bit like a puzzle. Oh, I think so. So this here is from the same scene. That's very cool. I like it. And Aragi and Hachikuchi driving on the bicycle. Again, Kaiki. And this is Hanekawa. And a rare from Hanekawa. So I only got one double rare at this point. And not too much packs left. So I think the commons are now mostly doubles. So I can go a bit faster through it. And nice, the next double rare card. And I would say it's again one from Hitagi. This time in the snow. I really like that they picked this scene here for a double rare. Oh, that's very lovely. I got Yotsugi as the next double rare and she's eating a donut. That's a really cute card. I'm really happy about this card here. So if I could wish for my last double rare, I would like to get the Nadeko or Shinobu double rare. Oh, okay, that's very likely. And here we have the Shinobu with the donut. So I'm happy. I really was searching for a card with her on it and with a donut. And as the next rare, a Nadeko. So really much Nadeko rares. I pulled out of this box here. Oh, points. One silverback. So it looks like they have changed it. Before it was only a silverback and now it means 1 point. Oh, very nice. Yotsugi with ice cream. Then Aragi with long hairs. and Kambaru as a rare. Oh, a Kaiki rare would be also nice. And it's a Hitagi rare. I think this is also my SR card. I don't know if they changed something. I think her pose is not exactly the same, but can't tell it. And my last rare is again from Hitagi. So, now to my foil card. I got the SR card from Hitagi. And what I'm a bit more happy about are the double rares. Some really cute ones. This here from Shinobu, and definitely this here from Yotsugi. And then 2-time from Hitagi. So, if I should set an order, I would say this is my least favorite. Then my third. Then my second favorite is this here from Shinobu. And my favorite is definitely this here with Yotsugi. So, this was my 100th video. Let's see if I go on and we see someday the 200th video. But at first, thank you for watching and see you next time.